Hello, habari, and welcome to our channel Swahili Well Explained. My name is Aloisia Ngunyali, and today we are going to talk about Swahili syllables. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe. Swahili syllables. Why is it important to know Swahili syllables? Knowing Swahili syllables will help you know how to read and pronounce Swahili words, and this way you can speak Swahili with confidence. What you need to remember is that Swahili words are pronounced as written, so this makes things easy. But also, Swahili is an open vowel language, so words are ending with a vowel. Now let's talk about Swahili syllables letter combination. A Swahili syllable can be made of a vowel. So vowels are a, e, o, u can make a syllable. And we get words like amani, which means peace, amri, which means order. But also, a consonant and a vowel can be combined to make a syllable. So all letters in the Swahili alphabet except C can be combined with a vowel to make a syllable. We talked about letter C when we talked about the Swahili alphabet in our previous video. So letters B, D, G, and all other letters can be combined with a vowel to make a syllable. So we get syllables like ba, be, bi, bo, bu, da, de, di, do, do, ga, ge, gi, go, gu, ma, me, mi, mo, mu, and others. Example of words like baba, which means father, mama, which means mother, gari, which means a car, are examples of this syllables combination. Also, two consonants in a vowel can be combined to make a syllable. So the first example will be letter C and H. Remember we said C cannot stand alone. So C always stands with H. So CH plus a vowel, we get a syllable. Other letters includes DH, GH, KL, MB, MW. All these letters combination with the vowel, we get a syllable. So we get syllables like cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Also the, tho, thu, nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. And we get words like ngoma, which means a drum. Another example is words like mbawa, which means wings. Also, Swahili syllables can be made of three consonants and a vowel. So letters N, J, W plus a vowel will get a syllable. Also N, G, W plus a vowel we get a syllable. M, B, W plus a vowel we get syllable. And we get syllables like mbwa, mbwe, mbwi, mbwo, mbwo, njwa, njwe, njwi, njwo, njwo, ngwa, ngwe, ngwi, ngwo, ngwo. And you get words like mgonjwa, which means a sick person. Also, another example is chungwa, which means an orange. We said that Swahili is an open vowel language, but letter M and letter N can stand as monosyllabic. So words like mtoto, which means a child, mjomba, which means uncle, we see M stand as monosyllabic. But also nta, which means wax, nchi, which means a country, we see N stand as monosyllabic. Also, letter M and letter N can stand as polysyllabic. We see words like mbwa, M, we write single M, but in pronouncing, you can hear two M. The first M that is standing alone, and another M that goes with B, W, and A. So we get mbwa. Another example is nje, which means outside or out. N, when we write, we only write single N. But when we pronounce, you can hear two N. Another example is nzi, which means a fly. We have seen in two letters plus vowel combination, we have an example of ng plus a vowel can be combined together to form a syllable. But also ng can take a apostrophe and a vowel to form a syllable. So we get syllables nga, nge, ni, ngo, ngu. And we get examples of words like ng'ombe, which means a cow. And that's it for today. We were talking about the Swahili syllables. If you have watched till the end, you deserve a gift. I have created a PDF about the Swahili syllables. Have explained it very well with a lot of examples. I've also given all the two consonants that can be combined together with a vowel to form a syllable, as well as all three consonants that can be combined together with the vowel to form a syllable. If that's something you need, please comment PDF and I'll give you a link to download for free. Again, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and help me grow. Tell others too. Kwaheri.